Assalamualaikum dear students. This is International Islamic University, Islamabad School, Sahiwal campus. Online lectures. Grade 3 Science. Unit number 9. Energy, Motion and Force. Lecture number 3. Exercise. Students, bring your science book, open it and write date and day properly. Listen to your teacher attentively and mark all the important points said by the teacher on your book. Do all the additional question answers on your science homework notebooks. Dear students, first we will discuss about page number 100. We have 3 questions. The question number 1 is that look and label the noises. L for loud, S for soft. Then with the partner, make a soft noise and a loud noise. So you have to label the pictures as L or S. From left to right we have a sequence. So first one is loud, L. Second one is soft. Third one is also loud. And the fourth one is soft. So you will write L, S, L, S. Question number 2 is that look and draw an object that takes a lot of force to move. So you can draw any object like car, shopping carts, etc. जिनको मूव करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फोर्स की ज़रूरत है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, वाई आर सम ऑब्जेक्ट्स हार्डर टू मूव देन अदर्स. कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स को मूव करना हार्ड क्यों होता है, मुश्किल क्यों होता है बनिस्बत दूसरों के. सो आंसर इज दैट इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट हैज़ ग्रेटर मास एंड फोर्स एंड मोर फ्रिक्शन देन इट इज़ हार्डर टू मूव. यानी अगर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का मास ज़्यादा है या ज़्यादा फ्रिक्शन प्रोड्यूस हो रही है स्लाइडिंग में, तो फिर ये हार्डर है कि हम उसको मूव कर सकें than the other objects. Now we have lesson number 1. The question number 1 is that which object make a high sound, which object make a low sound. So you have to mention high sound and low sound. You have 2 columns. So in the first column you have to write 2 of these 4 pictures that produce high sound, and then in the second you have to write about low sound. So first one is that high sound is of whistle and kettle, and the low sound is of truck and drum. The question number 2 is that what with the partner think of more items for each sound. तो आपने हाई साउंड और लो साउंड के बारे में कुछ और ऑब्जेक्ट्स को ऑब्जर्व करना है और सोचना है कि कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट हाई साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, कौन से लो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, रीड एंड सर्कल ट्रू और फॉल्स. सो यू हैव टू मार्क द स्टेटमेंट as true or false. Statement 1 is that you hear sound from object that vibrate. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Vibrate means to move slowly in one direction. No, this is not movement in one direction and not a slow movement. Number 3, vibration travels through the air to your ears. So this is true. Now we have question number 4. You have to read and then draw and label the instrument that vibrates to make a sound. So you can draw any instrument. You can draw a picture of a drum. Question number 5. Look and write with a partner. Mark tick the instrument that has a low pitch and mark X the instrument that has a high pitch. So you have 2 instruments. The first one is tuba and the second one is flute. So you have to mark tick and cross and then write in the blank the word slowly or quickly. So you have to draw tick on the tuba. Tuba की जो sound होती है वो low होती है, and mark X on flute क्योंकि उसकी जो पिच है वो हाई होती है एज कम्पेयर टू ट्यूबा. देन आप जो ट्यूबा है उसकी साउंड में आप लिखेंगे स्लोली, और जो फ्लूट की पिक्चर है उसकी आप ब्लैंक में लिखेंगे क्विकली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, व्हाट हैपन इफ यू प्लग स्ट्रेच रबर बैंड्स. लुक एंड डिस्कस विद द क्लास. यू कैन लुक एट पेज नंबर 102. यहाँ पर आपके पास एक पिक्चर दिखाई गई है जिसमें रबर बैंड्स हैं. आपने ये देखना है कि जब आप इनको स्ट्रेच करते हैं तो क्या होता है. सो द रबर बैंड विल वाइब्रेट एंड मेक साउंड. Question number 7. Why does the tool in the picture make a loud sound? Read and mark tick the correct answer. So the correct answer is that option 2. So आपने यहाँ पे tick mark करना है. Option 2 says that the tool vibrates strongly. So this tool vibrates strongly. This is why it produces a loud sound. Question number 8. Draw something else that make a loud sound. अब आपने यहाँ पर पेज नंबर 103 पे जो आपके पास जगह दी गई है, यहाँ पर आपने एक और कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट या कोई ऐसी चीज़ बनानी है जिसकी साउंड लाउड हो. Lesson number 2. Question number 1 is that look and draw an arrow to show which way the rope is moving. So obviously the rope is moving the way where is more force. So draw arrow from right to left on your book. आप left to right arrow draw करेंगे, अपनी book का पेज नंबर 104 खोलेंगे और फिर left to right आप arrow को draw करेंगे. Question number 2 is that read, look and write the motion each object makes. So the sequence is from left to right. The first one is around and around. The second one is straight line. The third one is around and around again. And the fourth one is back and forth. That is a swing. Question number 3. Read, look and draw an arrow to show how the boy will move. Draw an arrow from top to bottom of the slide. आप top to bottom एक arrow draw करेंगे जो कि show करेगा कि boy top to bottom move कर रहा है. Question number 4. Look and mark tick what makes the most force to move with the class discuss and why. So the first one is that book, feather and pencil. So we need more force to move a book than feather and pencil. And why? Because book have more mass, so more force is required to move it. Question number 5. Look at the boy hanging on the bars with a partner. Say if he is using a push or pull. So he is using a pull. Question number 6. Read, look and complete the sentence. The boy kicks the ball dash from himself. That is away from himself. The boy kicks the ball away from himself. And the second one is that the boy pushes the window shade dash to open it. Up to open it. The boy pushes the window shade up to open it. The question number 7 is that read and underline what speed is. So you have to underline the paragraph of fast and slow, near and far. यहाँ पर आप speed की जो definition है उसको underline करेंगे. So speed is how fast or slow an object moves. Second line आप इसकी जो है उसको underline करेंगे. Speed is how fast or slow an object moves. Question number 8. Look and circle the pictures which saucer ball moves farther and faster. With a partner, explain how you know. So you have two pictures. So you have to look at the pictures and then circle the second one picture that shows that saucer ball moves farther and faster because boy hit the ball very strongly and the ball will move away very quickly. Lesson number 3. Question number 1. Look and mark tick the picture that show magnets. So you have to mark the picture first and fourth. First and fourth picture shows a magnet. Question number 2. Read, look and circle the objects that are attracted to the magnet. Then draw an X on the picture that are not attracted. So you have to read and look and then circle the objects that are attracted to the magnet. So we have following objects. Because they do not have any magnetic ability. So first of all, you have to read, look and circle the objects that are attracted. You have page number 107. आपके पास यहाँ पर 4-5 जो हैं वो आपको पिक्चर्स दिखाई गई हैं. अब यहाँ पर आपने ड्रा करना है X on the object that are not attracted. So अब यहाँ पर जो वुडन स्केल है ये भी अट्रैक्टेड नहीं है. इस पर आप एक्स ड्रॉ करेंगे. प्लास्टिक ब्रश अट्रैक्ट नहीं करेगा, इसको आप एक्स ड्रॉ करेंगे. मार्बल्स अट्रैक्ट नहीं करेंगे, इनको भी आप एक्स ड्रॉ करेंगे. एंड द डाइज, लूडो डाइज विल ऑल्सो नॉट अट्रैक्ट टूवर्ड द मैग्नेट. तो आप इसको भी क्रॉस, इसके ऊपर क्रॉस का साइन लगाएंगे. लेकिन जो मैग्नेट है उसको आप सर्कल करेंगे क्योंकि मैग्नेट और उसके साथ मौजूद ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऐसे हैं जो कि उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्टेड हैं. यू हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 दैट इज व्हाई आर सम ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स नॉट अट्रैक्टेड बाय द मैग्नेट. अब क्यों अट्रैक्टेड नहीं होते? बिकॉज दे डू नॉट हैव एनी मैग्नेटिक एबिलिटी. क्योंकि उनमें कोई मैग्नेटिक एबिलिटी नहीं होती इसलिए वो अट्रैक्टेड नहीं होंगे. Question number 4. Read and underline what the pole of magnet is. So you have to underline the first line. आपने first line को last से underline करना शुरू करना है. A pole is the place of a magnet that has the strongest push or pull. यहाँ तक आप इसको underline करेंगे. Question number 5. Look and circle true or false. आपने true और false जो है यहाँ पे mark करना है. 2 South Pole together attract each other. So never two similar poles can attract each other. So we will write here false. Opposite poles attract each other. This is true. The third one, if poles repel, they move toward each other. If the poles repel, they move toward each other. So this is false. If they repel, they will move away from each other. Question number 6 is that look at the picture of the magnet with the partners. Say if the pole attract or repel each other. So you will write they will attract because opposite poles attract each other. Now we have some review exercise. So move on the page number 110. On the page number 111, we have a review exercise. So on the page number 111, we have question number 1, circle the instrument that has the higher pitch. So we have already discussed, you will circle picture 2. Question number 2 is that look and circle 2 complete sentences, then draw arrow on the picture to show the direction in which the ride moves. So it moves in a dash motion, back and forth, zigzag, around and around. So this ride will move around and around. So we'll circle option C. Read and circle. Two south poles attract or repel each other. So if two south poles, they will never attract each other, they repel each other. Okay, dear students, move on page number 109. We have question number 7 and 8. The question number 7 is that read, look and draw an arrow to show the direction the spoon and the train are moving in. तो आपने उस डायरेक्शन को बताना है. अब डायरेक्शन क्या होगी, आपने इसको रीड करना है, पिक्चर को देखना है और एरो ड्रॉ करना है. तो आप ट्रेन की तरफ से एरो ड्रॉ करेंगे टूवर्ड द मैग्नेट. सो आप ट्रेन की तरफ से एरो ड्रॉ करेंगे टूवर्ड द मैग्नेट और इसी तरह स्पून की तरफ से ड्रॉ करेंगे टूवर्ड द मैग्नेट बिकॉज बोथ दीज ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड द मैग्नेट. सो यू विल ड्रॉ एन एरो टूवर्ड द मैग्नेट. तो आप टूवर्ड द मैग्नेट एरो को ड्रॉ करेंगे दोनों में. सेकेंड वन इज दैट ड्रॉ एन ऑब्जेक्ट दैट द मैग्नेट कुड मूव एंड एन एरो टू शो द डायरेक्शन इट वुड मूव इन. सो आपने अब यहाँ पे देखना है, एक ऑब्जेक्ट को आपने ड्रॉ करना है, फिर आपने ये बताना है कि ऑब्जेक्ट अवे मूव करेगा या टूवर्ड द मैग्नेट. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन कि आप कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट बनाते हैं. अगर आप कोई ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी हैव सम एडिशनल क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. Lesson number 1. Question number 1. Define vibrate. Vibrate means to move quickly back and forth. A vibrating object makes the air around it vibrate. Question number 2. What is pitch? Pitch means how or low a sound is. An object that vibrates quickly makes a sound with a high pitch. Question number 3. Define volume. Volume means how loud or soft sound is. Lesson number 2. Question number 1. What is motion? And answer is that motion is the act of moving. The blades of a fan move around and around. You push a toy truck across the floor. So these are example of motion. Question number 2. Define force. A push or pull that makes something move is called a force. Lesson number 3. Question number 1. What does attract and repel mean? The attract means to pull toward itself and magnets can repel each other. And magnets can repel other magnets. Repel means to push away. So repel means to push something away from one another. Question number 2. What are magnet poles? A pole is the place on magnet that has the strongest push or pull. The N stands for north pole of a magnet and S stands for south pole of a magnet. Students, now you have some homework. Open up your diary. Write date, subject, and then write down your diary. You have to do all the copywork questions and the additional questions on your science homework notebook and the bookwork question on your book. आपने तमाम तो bookwork questions जो हैं जो कि बुक पर सॉल्व होने वाले हैं उनको आपने बुक पे करना है और बाकी तमाम तो जो questions हैं जो आपने कॉपी पे सॉल्व करने हैं उनको आपने अपनी साइंस की होमवर्क नोटबुक्स पे सॉल्व करना है. Okay dear students, this is end of the lesson. Allah Hafiz.